So in the last video you got the formula that how to find by which you can find out the line integral of any function in a particular direction. So now we can say how we can interpret, how we can join this line integral with our ordinary Riemann integration. So that we can say the line integral of a vector function, a vector, is really the ordinary Riemann integral along the curve of the tangential component of the vector. So ordinary Riemann integration along the curve of the tangential component of the vector. Why? Because we know that we are taking this, that a vector dot t vector ds. Now a vector dot t vector, so we are trying to find out the component of f along t vector, and you know that t vector is nothing but the unit tangent vector. So we can say that the line integral is the tangential component, that means is an ordinary Riemann integration of the curve or along the curve of the tangential component of the vector. So f dot t actually giving you the tangential component of the function or the curve. So therefore we can interpret in this way. Now by an example I will show that how you could find out the line integral of a particular function. So we are considering here, consider a vector field of 2 dimension where the a vector is x square I cap plus y square j cap, and let the curve gamma a portion of the parabola y equals to x square. So we are not going to take the whole curve, obviously not. Y equals to x square is a particular curve and gamma will be a particular portion from that curve. So ay equals to x square is situated on the xy plane. So gamma is the portion of the curve from the point A to B. A is denoting the point 0, 0 and B is denoting the point 1, 1. So from the point A to B, the portion is denoted by the gamma. So I am going to find out the line integral of the function f in the along the from the point 0, 0 to 1, 1 of the curve y equals to x square. So now we have to find out line integral of a vector over the gamma. What is gamma? Gamma is our now parabola, which is y equals to x square. So by the formula we know that integration gamma f dot dr is the actual formula for the finding out the line integral. So now gamma, you know that my curve gamma will be now y equals to x square. Now we are trying to, because you know that r equals to r of t, r equals to r of t, we have already mentioned previously that what is that r equals to r of t,